In this video, I just want to give like a brief run through on why I do the things that I do, why I'm making YouTube videos, why I'm so adamant about the cognitive functions. So what's up, Game Changer? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. This concept of personality type, first of all, has been so helpful in my life. It's completely changed who I am and how I see the world, and being able to have more empathy and care and respect for other people and for their struggles as well. See, when you realize that not everybody thinks the same way as you also realize that there are other ways of thinking, other ways of perceiving the world, other ways of living. And when you do that, like the whole world just kind of opens up. And you're like, oh my God, that's why this person always does the same over and over again. That drives me crazy. Well, because he works at a different, he works with a different character set. You know, he plays the game a little bit differently. He's got a different skill set than I do. And, you know, my struggles are my struggles because I'm using these characters, right? Maybe I can heal a lot, but I'm not doing a lot of DPS. That's my character, right? That's the group that I'm running in, the mental, you know, role play questing party of my cognitive function stack, which is all, you know, jargon talk, but like those are the different mental components within me that are doing this and running this kind of game, following these kind of quests, right? Other people have different quests. Other people have different things that they're doing, right? Different journeys, different struggles, different strengths. And just having that realization was enough to completely change my life and the compassion that I have for other people and how I see my goals and my struggles and what I can do with my life. When I started learning about the system through Personality Hacker, I started connecting it up to my own life and to the things that I knew, which was RPGs. You know, I was playing a lot of World of Warcraft at the time and things like that. And it kept building. I was like, oh, this is kind of like this. This is kind of like this. Okay, this is how I'm gonna learn the system, because it was really confusing, right? There's a lot in it. And I was able to connect that up, and when I shared it with just the random world on a blog, like I was just like, this is something that helped me, I'm gonna start writing about it, because I was really into it. Still am, obviously. Somebody wrote me like, oh, that really helped me. Like what you just said was really meaningful to me. And I just got this like epiphany that, yeah, it helped me, it can help somebody else. And if I can help another person, like have that same insight that I did and learn about this system in whatever way I can do, whatever way I can get it across, then I can change the world. I can make an impact on the world. I can make things better for somebody. And that has just been this burning passion for me. And it's been a struggle too. Like I want to perfect the system. I keep refining the map, and as I refine the map, you know, as I refine the map, it gets more and more detailed and more complex and convoluted and things like that too. And it's just this struggle of like, how deep do I want to get with some of the concepts, and how practical do I want it to be? Like, because you have to kind of balance it, right? You have to make it like accurate enough, but also simple enough that people can understand it. And so this is the struggle that I've been kind of going back and forth with, but it's been the journey of like just diving deeper and deeper into it, and then trying to simplify it and going back and forth, and then sharing it with people like you on YouTube. So that's it. This is just one of 21 videos that I'm going to be doing in a row as part of my journey and my struggle and my goal to move forward to success. All right, so I hope it helped. I hope you resonated with this a little bit, and keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.